Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. First of all, need download and install from App Gallery xRecorder application, this one. Why application? Because in standard option in your HUAWEI Nova 8i, you not can choose your quality option and another option. So this opens this application. Click agree, don't ask again, use notification bar, allow, and now on the bottom we got settings option, so click it, and here first option in the list will be resolution and quality. So change quality option, for example, now I got automate, so click for example 10 megabits per second, and for saving need choosing click and it save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.